Hello, my name is Trey. I'm a student from Recording Radio Film Connection. Graduated in October 2019. I'm an engineer, producer, artist, musician. It's been a very cool program. It's very hands-on. The curriculum is easy to work with and follow. The mentors give you all the tools and resources you need to be successful in this program, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Recently, I did a mix for an individual named Mac Woodward. Thank you for that opportunity, first and foremost. And second, it was a fun project to work with. The vocals came out really nice. I like the artist's natural just voice for that recording, and it was a good project. It was fun. There were some technical difficulties, but we were able to get through that, and it worked out well. So, thank you.